Hi guys, today I have another pizza recipe for you all, and this one is for a paratha pizza. It's going to be some thin, crispy, flaky goodness. So to make this, I'm using one of my paratha loaves, and we're going to be cooking this on our tawa. It also goes into the oven on our tawa. So you want to cook the paratha on both sides, and you want to roll it up pretty thin. Next, add sliced tomatoes and sliced onions. Chopped pineapple. Now you can use whatever topping you want for your pizza. I'm going to go on with some cheese. Now a very thin layer of cheese. Then next goes on some chicken, and I'm using some leftover rotisserie chicken. I'm going to top it with some more cheese. I like using a Monterey Jack or a pepper jack cheese. I'm also going in with some complete seasoning. This is going to add so much flavor to this pizza. And it goes into your oven to bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 12 minutes. When it's finished, all you have to do is cut it and enjoy. One of the best pizzas you will ever eat.
So just listen as I bite into the pizza.
So if you love thin crust pizza, you will love this. Really thin, really flaky, and really crispy. And I did not put a lot of oil when I was cooking it because I didn't want it to be greasy. So I hope you guys give this recipe a try. It was super easy and really delicious. Make it, let me know what you think. If it's something you already make in your family, please leave me your comments down below. I can't wait to hear what you all think about this. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!